Hello 2019! Excited to share with everybody integration with Microsoft Teams, the Squigl bot. In just a matter of clicks, you can transform any text inside of Teams to an animated presentation with just a snap of a finger. Using the Squigl bot, you can launch the application, you can learn more through the website, you can retrieve some of your most recent projects, you can also start a new one. Right now, we'll just go ahead and kick off a new project. First things first, enter in a project name. Once you have that, go ahead and put in your script. You can type it in, copy and paste, however you'd like. Once you have it, go ahead and hit submit. As soon as you've hit submit, a video is starting to be rendered. What we're doing right now is picking up the most important keywords in the text that you had entered. And then we're going to associate an image to every single keyword that was identified. Squigl does this by checking out the most sentiment of your message, the content and context of your message. And as it goes through that process, out comes a video. And just as you can see, Squigl has started to identify the keywords and render back that video. Typically takes just under a minute or so to create a video for a paragraph or two of information. And we should very shortly have a Squigl video ready to share straight from Microsoft Teams. And there you have it. The project is ready to be shared. Thanks so much for checking out Squigl bot and Microsoft Teams integration. Have a fantastic year ahead.